So I'm very grateful again and sharing the stage with this inspiring online business accountability around the world, which is Sis Maj from Qatar and Sis Eileen from Netherlands. And for those
I'm
who doesn't know
Anna.
me, Anna, sorry, Eileen. Oh, I'm sorry, maybe.
Oh,
Sorry,
We
Sis
missed you,
Anna.
sis.
Of course. Why do I forgot your name? I've been here in UK as a nurse for 22 years na po. And yes, I'm a proud Filipina by blood and British by choice. Mabuhay po ang lahat. Magandang araw, magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa lahat. I'll speak in different languages or different dialect in our country, but importantly, I always speak from the heart. I am also a mom of two beautiful teenagers there and a wife of Jeffrey and a mentor in this incredible online business community. Together with my beautiful beautiful business partner or accountability partners, we are all here because we are very passionate about helping others to start earning online so that you can also build your own digital businesses to reclaim your time and create more options for your family and finally design the life you truly deserve.